Count nouns are nouns that you can make plural. Non-count nouns are nouns that you cannot make plural. So which nouns are count and which nouns are non-count? This point of grammar can be difficult for English language learners. There are no consistent rules that guarantee whether a noun is count or non-count. Many noun forms must simply be memorized, and you may need to check a dictionary to make sure that you can make a certain noun plural. For now, consider some guidelines that can help you to know which nouns are count and which nouns are non-count. First, consider the name. Think about the word count. We call nouns that can be made plural count nouns because you can count them. 1 ring, 2 rings, 3 rings, and so forth. The other nouns, non-count nouns, are nouns that you cannot count. Every baker bakes with flour, but you cannot measure flour by saying 1 flour, 2 flours, and so forth. There is a different way of measuring non-count nouns, and I'll talk about that in another lesson, but you cannot make non-count nouns plural. Second, there are certain categories of nouns that are usually non-count. These nouns are not always non-count, but they usually are. One category is materials. In other words, what things are made out of. Glass, plastic, metal, and wood are examples. When these words represent materials, they are non-count. Do not add S to these words when they refer to the material that makes up a product. Another category is food. Now, some nouns for food are count and some are non-count. There are certain kinds of foods that have units that you can count. 1 carrot, 2 carrots, 3 carrots, and so forth. Other kinds are non-count and do not have individual units. Flour, milk, cheese, meat, and so forth. Another category is abstract nouns. These are nouns that you cannot see, but they're still real. Commitment, adventure, information, knowledge, and so forth. Third, non-count nouns often refer to a category of several count nouns. Consider these count nouns: nickels, dimes, quarters, dollars. What non-count noun do we use to refer to all of these? That's right, money. Consider these count nouns: tables, chairs. What non-count noun can refer to both of these? Tables and chairs are examples of furniture. Consider these count nouns: seconds, minutes, hours. What non-count noun can refer to all of these? The category is time. The best advice that I can give you to identify count and non-count nouns is this: keep communicating. As you read and listen, you will see and hear accurate uses of these nouns. As you speak and write, you will get practice with choosing and using the correct forms.